আসসালামু আলাইকুম ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড ব্রাদার্স অ্যান্ড সিস্টার্স। আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো স্পোকেন ইংলিশের সবচেয়ে বেসিক কোশ্চেনগুলো কীভাবে অ্যান্সার করতে হয়। অ্যাজ এ বিগিনার্স শুরুর দিকে যে কোশ্চেন এবং অ্যান্সারগুলো সবার জানা উচিত। সবার জানা থাকলে কনফিডেন্ট বাড়বে, ঠিক আছে? সো সেটা আমি করবো চ্যাটজিপিটির সাথে। আমি তাকে বলবো সেই বেসিক কোশ্চেনগুলো আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করার জন্য, এবং আমি সেগুলোর অ্যান্সার করবো। খুবই স্লোলি করার চেষ্টা করবো যেন আপনারা বুঝে উপকৃত হতে পারেন। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। হ্যালো ChatGPT, can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
I can. You're coming through just fine. Want to keep practicing your English now?
Yeah, I want to practice English with you, but please ask me the most basic 20 question of spoken English, and I will try to answer of your all the question. So ask me the most basic English question, 20 basic English question, okay?
Perfect. I'll ask you one by one, and you just answer. Ready?
Okay.
Here's the first question. What's your name?
Okay, my full name is MD Tafsir Rahman Topu, but you can call me Tafsir.
Nice to meet you, Tafsir. All right, here's question number 2. How old are you?
Currently, I am 25 years old.
Great. You're doing well. Here's question 3. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Awesome. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Now, question 4. What do you do? Are you a student or do you work?
Actually, I am a student and also I am teaching English.
Wow, that's impressive. Being both a student and an English teacher is not easy. All right, question 5. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I try to learn English and I try to research. I try to solve all the problem, especially in grammatical problem in English. That is how I can help my student very nicely.
That's a really smart way to use your free time, Tafsir. You sound very dedicated. Okay, here comes question 6. What's your favorite food?
Okay, my favorite food is biryani.
Biryani is delicious. Good choice. Now, question 7. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, sure. I have 4 brothers, but I have 4 sisters, but no brother.
Got it? 4 sisters then. Thanks for clearing that up. Question 8 coming up. What kind of music do you like?
I like classical Bengali music.
Nice. Classical Bengali music has such beautiful melodies. Here's question 9. What's your favorite movie or TV show?
Okay, my favorite TV show is British Arthur Group from Turkey.
That's a popular one. Ertugrul has a lot of fans around the world.
Yes.
Question 10. Do you like to travel? If yes, where have you been?
Yes, I love to travel. I really fond of traveling, and last time I traveled Bazar, which is the longest sea beach in over the world, and which is really beautiful and amazing for exploring.
Cox's Bazar sounds incredible. It must have been a great trip. Question 11. What do you want to be in the future?
In future, I want to be a professional and good English teacher and good human being.
That's a wonderful goal, Tafsir. Being a great teacher and a good person means a lot. Question 12. What's your favorite season of the year?
Okay, my favorite season is winter.
Winter is nice, cool and cozy. Question 13. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Especially, I prefer green tea.
Green tea is healthy and tasty. Question 14. Do you like reading books?
Yeah,
If yes, what kind?
yeah, absolutely. I love reading book. I love to read non-fiction books, especially how to be successful, how to be motivated, how to be raised in your life. This kinds of book I love to read.
That's inspiring. Reading books about success and motivation. Question 15. Do you like sports? If yes, which sport do you enjoy?
Yes, I really love sports. My favorite game is football, and I fond of playing cricket.
Nice. Football and cricket are both exciting games. Question 16. Do you have a best friend? Can you tell me about him or her?
Yeah, sure. I have best friend. He's from Bangladesh as well, and he's very innocent. He's very loving and caring, and also very helpful. He's definitely a male person, and he's my classmate as well. So he's my best friend.
Sounds like you have a great friend there. Question 17. What's your favorite place in your city or town?
Uh, my favorite place is Khulna, which is the greatest city in Bangladesh, division actually, and this is my loving city. I love it.
Khulna must be special to you. It's cool that you love your city so much. Question 18. Do you like animals? Do you have a pet?
Yeah, of course, I love animals, and I have one white cat that is very loving, and I always care him.
A white cat that laughs? Sounds like a fun and lively pet. Question 19. What's your favorite holiday or festival?
My favorite holiday is Friday, and my favorite festival is Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Adha, which is the most gracious and most happiest moment for every Muslim person. And this is very nice to celebrate, and this is very pure and holy festival. We love it.
Eid is truly special and full of joy. I can feel how much it means to you. Last question 20. What do you usually do on weekends?
Okay, on weekend I usually passing my time by learning new things, because always I am preparing myself to become a passionate teacher, a good teacher, an absolute perfect teacher. So that weekend is very important for me, and on the weekend days I always try to solve my problem that I am facing and I am confusing. So that is how actually, by reading, by writing, by improving my fluency, my knowledge and everything, I spend my weekends. That's all.
That's a fantastic way to spend your weekends, Tafsir. Focused and full of growth. You're really dedicated. Want to keep practicing with some different kinds of questions now?
Okay, thank you so much for asking this simple question, this basic 20 questions, and definitely I think that it will definitely help all of my audience to know that what is the basic questions that we have to know as a beginner English learner. সো আশা করি সবাইকে এটা অনেক উপকার দিবে। এখানে আমরা হচ্ছে 20টা সবচাইতে কমন, সবচাইতে বেসিক কোয়েশ্চেন এবং অ্যান্সার নিয়ে ওয়ার্ক করেছি, যেখানে ChatGPT আমাকে হচ্ছে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো আস্ক করেছে এবং আমি অ্যান্সার দেওয়ার ট্রাই করেছি। সো আপনারাও অ্যাকচুয়ালি এইগুলা এভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করার মাধ্যমে, এগুলো এভাবে ইমপ্রুভ করার মাধ্যমে কিন্তু আপনাদের কনফিডেন্স লেভেলটাকে অনেক বিল্ড আপ করতে পারেন ইনশাআল্লাহ। সো আশা করি ভিডিওটা অনেক ভালো লাগবে। আর যদি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই আমাদের সাথে থাকবেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের চ্যানেল, প্রতিদিন ইংলিশ শেখার জন্য। সো বেস্ট অফ লাক, টেক কেয়ার, অল দ্য বেস্ট, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।